Hi everyone, today we're going to make a strip steak alla cacciatore. Let's begin. Okay, so in here I have the pan coating with olive oil. Strip steak, I cut it all in strips like that. A small pepper, some peas, some fresh celery along with parsley and basil, an onion, and some tomatoes. So here we go. I'm gonna add the onion. I'm gonna put everything together. The steak, the peas, peppers. Pre-slice everything so you'll have everything ready. And the celery. Along with parsley and basil. Okay. I decided to add a zucchini as well. You can also add some potatoes. You're gonna add whatever you want in there. Carrots, whatever you want. Just cut them in cubes like that. There we go, all in there. Now we're going to add the tomatoes. Any type of tomatoes you have, crushed, peeled, leftover sauce, whatever you guys have. Just add it in there. And it's going to cook slowly all together. You may add some pepper and salt, of course. And you can also make chicken like this, chicken cacciatore, any type of meat, okay? Now, you just stir everything together. Okay, it's all mixed. And now, put the cover on it and kiss it goodbye for a while. Let it cook slowly, medium to low. And when it's cooked, it's ready. Buon appetito. Just keep on stirring it once in a while, just so it doesn't stick to the bottom. This is almost ready. This is about done. So we're gonna put like a nice scoop and put it in the plate nicely. And here it is. The little juice that is there. You could dip bread in there. Delicious. Un brindisi alla vita. Enjoy. Cheers to life.